Only if you're really down to fish, you'd go fishing. We're going fishing. All right, yo, it's like 20 degrees. It's very rare that nobody comes out to fish this lake. So I'm gonna take advantage and see if I can hit some bridges and catch some bass. All right, look. Today I'm fishing a bridge and I'm targeting the first piling on it. Usually there's more fish around bridges than you would if you were to fish like an open piece because there's not as much structure. These fish like to hang out and move around these pilings, and oftentimes you can catch more than one fish in one spot. Drop shot key, little bottom cast out there, try to get close to that bridge. The water's warm. You can tell because it's steaming a little bit. But see if I can catch a fish before it gets too cold out here. Oh, on a fish. Oh, it's a nice one. See, I told y'all, it's really rare. Oh, he's trying to get me in the grass. Oh, it's a good bass. Cold water bass, look at that. Whew. Sick. The bass are warm. That means they're still active. All right, that was first two casts, I think. All right, so let's try to get another one while we're here. Surprised my guides didn't ice over. There's some grass out there at the bottom. It's a lot of grass. Try this way. Sometimes there's a bass on this side too. It's freezing. I'm so cold. Oh, that's grass too. Alright, so there's still a lot of grass out here. Usually in the winter this grass dies off, and this is a really good bottom to fish. Try to get under the bridge more than try to get past this little grass line. On again, bro. On again. 2 in a row. Oh, this one's bigger. Oh, this is a nice one. Okay. I'm going crazy. Alright, these bass are eating. Look. Number 2. On the drop shot. telling y'all, on days where this place doesn't get hit, there's fish at this bridge all the time. But there's a lot of people that fish here, so sometimes you don't really catch them. But today, fishing same 8-pound braid, 10-pound mono leader with the size 1 Octopus, but I'm using a 3/16 ounce drop shot weight. Seems like they're hanging onto this bridge. My hands are freezing. Alright.
Are they high?
Yeah. They're under the bridge. Oh, I just got hit again. Oh, twice. Might be bluegill. My hands are freezing, bro. Okay, gotta warm these hands up real quick. Nice and chilly out today. That north wind. That north wind. There's still grass out there. On again. Oh, that one came off. Okay, so they're close. They're pretty close. They're pretty close. I feel like they're right in front of this piling in this tree corner right here. Yep. Oh, that's a good one. That's a decent bass. A little buck bass, a little buck bass. Yeah. It's a bass. Yeah. But since today's so cold, nobody fished today, so I think there's fish out here. Yeah. Yeah, I got him.
Wow. Oh, is it a catch release?
Yeah, just for fun. Just for fun. I get a fish.
You got a lot of patience.
Yeah. It's so cold. Oh no, just GoPro, just like a fishing YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Cool.
Is
Thank
that
you.
bait?
Yeah, it's a plastic worm.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's plastic. It's fake.
It looks real.
It looks real, yeah. Yeah. Cool.
That's awesome. You caught a fish.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Stay warm. Have a good day.
Stay warm.
Yeah, I will. Let's try to go this way. Okay. There's a lot of grass down there. There's grass too. Since that wind is blowing, I'm gonna make one more cast and we're gonna go to the other side of the bridge. And if I don't catch anything there, I'm gonna call it a day. Oh, I just got hit again. Man, they're stacked up right there on that corner. On again. I'm on again. Oh, this feels like a good bass. He's not coming up at all. It's better. That's better. Oh, dude, this was way better. Slay-do. Have some pliers, have some pliers. That's a good one. That's like a 2-pound bass. Pretty nice. Look, he's been, I think that means he's been chilling on the bottom a lot. But yeah, another good one. See you later. Oh no, wrong way. Yeah, there you go. Okay. They bite in that cold weather. All right. See, there's more fish here. I think moving the bait slower and more keeping it in the same spot so it's in that bite zone longer, because they're gonna definitely they've been nibbling at it, but they eat it on like the second bite. On again. See, that's like 5-6 bass. Oh my god, dude, this is epic bass fishing right here. This is so sick. Ooh, with the skyline in the back. Yeah, let's get him unhooked. Let's get him back in the water. Let's see how many more I can pull off this corner. It seems they're stacking up because it's nice and warm there. Let my hand warm up. That was sick. I just pulled like 5-6 bass off that one corner. Let's see if there are any more, maybe a little bit out of this corner. On again. Yo, they're stacked up on this corner, yo. Yo, this is crazy. Yo. Man, they're just stacked up on this corner, man. And luckily this water's just warming up. It's a bunch of little buck bass though. Boo. Ooh, nice. Let's go for another release. This is kind of crazy. I don't think I've ever caught this many bass here. But luckily, just no pressure today and the conditions are perfect. There's a really cold front coming in. There's a little bit of wind, there's cloudy skies. And I think they're chewing just because they know that it's about to get really cold. Alright y'all, so it's starting to get pretty cold. I'm actually done fishing because now my hands are too cold and I don't think I want to stay out here much longer. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you later.